Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit photo name and date in phone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the gallery app on your phone and then select the photo whose name and date you want to edit. So let's say this is the photo whose name and date I want to edit. Then click on the photo once to open the menu on the navigation. Now locate and click on the information icon. Then you should see the photo information pops. Now go ahead and click on edit on the date. Then here you have access to the date and then the name. Now to change the name, click on the name, delete the existing name here. Mark you cannot delete the extension. So go ahead, type in the name. Now to change the date, click on the date. Then you should see the calendar pop and then the time pop. Then come here, select the date the photo was taken and select time to select the time the photo was taken. After that, go ahead and click on done. Then click on save again. And that is it. You should see the photo name and date changed. You see that? And then you're good. So that is exactly how to change photo name and date in phone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.